SmartLink easily solve car repair problems. Hello everyone, I'm Vina. Welcome back to our channel. In the past few episodes, we'll be introduced the order placing and order receiving process of the launched SmartLink Remote Diagnosis platform. Today, we're going to showcase an application of this platform in vehicle maintenance. Imagine you have a Maserati Grecale. You've just changed the engine oil and oil filter, yet the maintenance light remains on. Without the specialized Maserati diagnostic tool, you might feel stuck, right? But don't worry, that's where the SmartLink Remote Diagnosis platform comes in. You can now request remote assistance from professional technicians via the platform. First, connect the launched SmartLink C device to the vehicle's OBD port. It will quickly generate a link code. Next, send this code to repair shops or technicians expert who own both a SmartLink B device and an official Maserati diagnostic tool. Once the technician receives the code, they can connect the SmartLink B device to the Maserati diagnostic tool and accept the request via the SmartLink Remote Diagnosis platform. At this moment, it's as if an expert is standing right beside your car, using professional equipment to diagnose your vehicles remotely. The diagnostic process is straightforward. The technician first runs a preliminary scan using the Maserati diagnostic tool. When the lock icon at the top right of the screen unlocks, it means the login was successful. Next, they navigate to the instrument cluster settings and perform the maintenance reset. By selecting IPC Right Service, waiting a moment, and confirming the operation successfully ended message, the first step is complete. The technician then returns to the main menu, enters the ECM and selects Active Diagnosis to log engine oil level initialization. Again, after a brief wait, they confirm the operation successfully ended message, completing the entire reset process remotely via the SmartLink platform. The entire process is efficient and convenient, delivering a truly seamless remote repair experience. For more complex vehicle issues, the launched SmartLink Remote Diagnosis platform is your go-to solution. Over 100,000 global customers, more than 3 million remote vehicles issues resolved. SmartLink easily solve car repair problems.